If you need to recover your Outlook password without using an email address or a phone number to verify it, today I'm going to show you a very quick and hidden way to do exactly that. So without further ado, let's get going. Alright, so you've jumped onto Microsoft.com and you're going to click in the top right hand side, sign in. You'll find yourself over here, right? And this is the way that we sign into Outlook, or the suite of apps that are available under the Microsoft umbrella, including Outlook. So what you'll do is you'll type in your email address and then you'll be prompted for your password. What if you don't know your password, or you would like to sign into or create another account with your Outlook email address and password? Well, if you quite simply jump into a new Google tab or whatever browser you're using, on the right hand side you'll look for passwords and autofill. You're going to go and look for the password manager, and you can simply type in here Microsoft. This will give you access to all of your Microsoft account details, including username as well as your passwords. So let's click on this. Here's a username, here's another username, here's another, and this is the one that I'm looking for. Okay, so all you need to do is click on the eyeball icon to see the password, or click on the copy password button to actually copy your password. And once you go in to sign in, you won't have to change your password or reset your password and go through the entire process just to know what your password is. I hope this was helpful.